Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're talking about the best crinkle cut knife you'll ever need in your kitchen, the HIC Kitchen Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer. Whether you're making delicious homemade crinkle fries, wavy potato chips, or preparing vegetables with a unique touch, this tool is going to become your new best friend. The HIC Kitchen Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer is a simple yet highly effective kitchen tool that brings a professional touch to your food preparation. With its sharp stainless steel blade, this slicer effortlessly cuts through hard potatoes and apples, making it perfect for creating those signature crinkle cuts for fries or decorative veggie slices for salads and garnishes. The stainless steel blade is not only durable but also ensures a smooth and easy cutting experience with minimal effort. One of the standout features of this slicer is how easy it is to use. Unlike some complex mandolins, this tool is compact, user-friendly, and easy to clean. Simply position the blade over your food and press down or use an up and down motion to achieve the perfect crinkle cut. For those wavy potato chips or waffle fries, you just need to slice once, rotate the food 90 degrees, and slice again. The process is fast and efficient, making your cooking tasks more enjoyable. Another reason to love this crinkle cutter is its sturdy construction. The combination of BPA-free plastic and stainless steel makes it both safe and reliable. The handle is designed for comfort, giving you full control while slicing, and it's also dishwasher safe for quick cleanup after use. So, you can spend more time enjoying your delicious creations and less time cleaning up. Whether you're preparing crinkle fries, wavy pickle chips, or adding some decorative flair to your salads, this slicer is versatile and perfect for all sorts of food prep. It's ideal for anyone who loves to get creative in the kitchen or wants to add a touch of fun to their meals. And don't forget, it's compact enough for easy storage, so it won't take up much space in your kitchen. If you're looking to up your kitchen game with a crinkle cut knife that combines simplicity, durability, and excellent performance, the HIC Kitchen Crinkle Cut Wave Slicer is definitely a tool you should consider. Get ready to transform the way you slice your potatoes and vegetables with ease and style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more kitchen gadget reviews. Happy slicing!